Audio CD 2, Track 48, Unit 3. Fun and Food in the Night Market. Maggie talks to the concierge about getting dinner. I'd like to try the local cuisine. Could you recommend something?
How about going to a night market? There's one that's pretty close to here.
What are some of the more popular local specialties?
Order the oyster omelets. They're a little greasy, but you'll like them. They go well with fried buns.
They both sound delicious. Any other suggestions?
Well, that particular market is noted for its bubble tea.
Bubble tea? What's that?
It's made with milk tea. It doesn't really have bubbles, just tapioca balls. You have to drink them with a wide straw.
Cool. I was also hoping to avoid the crowds. When's the best time to go?
Avoid the crowds? No, we like crowds in Taiwan.
Really? Why?
If a place is crowded, it must be good. We've even got an expression for this. Hot noisy, hot noisy. It's like hustle and bustle in English.
You're convincing. I'll go during dinner time.